In this video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a table in Microsoft Loop. So in order to do that, you first need to head over to loop.cloud.microsoft. Once you're in there, you should be able to see in here this page. So what we can do is we can head over and click onto this Get Started option in order to sign up for an account. So if you already have a OneDrive account or Microsoft Word account or Office account, you can proceed to use that from here as well. So click onto the sign in option that will appear right here in order to successfully sign in. So since I already have an account, let me just proceed to sign in right here. Now, as you can see, I have in here this database. So in order to copy a table, let's first insert one. So to do so, you can just hover to this parts right here. Head over and click on this plus icon right there. And once you have clicked on that, it should be able to show you in here this component. Let's click onto this table right here, and as you can see, a table will be added. Now for this case, in order to copy this table, you can head over and do so by clicking onto this drop down. You can see this option to change and rename it, and you can also select it all by clicking onto this icon right here. Now click onto these three dots and you can change the row height, height column, and from in there you can also download the CSV. Once CSV has been downloaded, you can proceed to actually just copy it on however you want. Alternatively, you can select it all by just selecting it and dragging it across this, right clicking on it, and you can choose right here the copy option. You can also choose the copy table option, and from in there, just click onto any page that you want, then right click on any blank part, click on paste. After that, click on allow, and then a table shall be added right here after that. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video successfully helped you out with everything that you need. Thank you so much for watching.